just want the honeys with the blue faces, blue bottles, blue beamer, speed racer, money team, Mindy P, team player, ballin' like Steph Curry, let the green lay up. I just want the honeys with the blue faces, blue bottles, blue beamer.
Hello everybody, this is your girl Angela Nix with Real Stuff No Fluff, here to update you on software you can use that will take you to the next level on your print on demand, POD. Why am I smiling so hard? Is when doing these videos, like, I try to do them on the fly, I try to do them on script because I want to feel natural and be myself in doing this. And I recorded this one video and I got stuck on what I'm getting ready to show you guys. And it bugged me so because I feel like I'm smart enough to figure this out, but I can't figure it out. So I called my 17-year-old son Nolan in to help me see something I'm not seeing. And he did it like that. And then I got so excited because I was like, that was right in my face. He's like, Mom, you've done Photoshop forever. Why are you not able to figure this out? Well, I'm using a software that I'm introducing to you guys called Photopea. And there was a section on Photopea that I couldn't figure out, which was right in my face. And I was like, well, look, if I'm in Photoshop, I could do it like this. I know how to do it in Photoshop, but I don't know how to use it in this. He figured it out. So now I'm going to introduce to you guys Photopea. I loved it. I really like it as an alternative, a free alternative to Photoshop. I tried another software that was called GIMP, G-I-M-P. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. It didn't work right. I had a hard time downloading it. When I got it uploaded and started working, it shifted a file that I uploaded from Photoshop. That's not a good start for me. But Photopea took that same file and kept everything the way it was supposed to, how I originally created it. So let me introduce to you guys Photopea. So I'm going to move me down here, and I'm going to try to, as like I did in the last video, I'm going to try to go a little bit faster and not keep you guys online. I know you want to get to it, and that will be my goal today. So let's go. Photopea. Photopea.com. Love it. All right. So here it is. It has the same interface to me, very similar to Photoshop. Okay, I'm going to open up my Photoshop right here. Look at, oh, ain't she cute? And this is what we're going to do some editing on, or something similar to this. So let me move me down a little bit. Here's my Photoshop file, and here is the Photopea file. Okay, well, let me open the file up. Okay, hold on. I'm going to get that same girl. I call her Fierce Lady. Okay. So it's opening up because it's a heavy file. I believe that's a really heavy file. Okay. So everything is pretty much intact. And I'm like, they look identical. So when you get a file from me, you can like really work on the same thing without having any issues. I'm on Photoshop. You could be on Photopea. Or we both could be on Photopea, doesn't matter. But I love it. See, here are the tools right here. Here are the tools right here. Like, this is awesome. Then here's our layer. Let me move over. This is the Photoshop layer. Everything in place, right? This is what I originally created her in Photoshop. And look, here is the layers identical to what I created in Photoshop. So truly, truly love it. So I want to exit her out. I have another lady that I want to upload. So I'm just going to go straight here. She's called Bossy. So I'm uploading her now. The reason why I'm choosing her is because I have text that's movable. I'm going to introduce to you guys layers. The reason why I'm not using the other picture because there were a little bit more detail in that, advanced detail, that I will show you guys at a later date. But this one is just easy. So here are these different layers. Layers are sections of the artwork, right? So here are these different layers. Each text is on its own layer so that I can move the text around as I see fit. So you basically could just go to your files and just say hello, and then we can move it around and see when I'm done, the word hello is right here on its own layer. And we can also change that layer's font. We need to add some cursive stuff in here, but they look at, see, isn't that cute? Hello. So that's what I like about this particular software. You can add layers to it, add to your artwork. I'm going to throw this layer in the trash. See, it has to be highlighted here, and you throw it in the trash. But yeah, this is really cool. We could, let's say you say, well, Angela, I don't want to put I'm not bossy. You could change this to whatever you want, right? And then you could also change colors, right? So let's see here. Where is the word I am the? See, I am the. See, we should be able to change this color. Like, show them how to do it, Angela. Show them how to do it. See, that's black. I'm going to make it red, which makes it hard to see for right now. You say, okay. See, it changed to red. Then I'm going to change the text. I'm going to use this one right here. Oh, no. I like this one. I like that one. And I'm going to make it smaller. Like about right here. Ooh, nice. All right. Then I'm going to move this up just a little bit. And then we have to use the select. It's called the select button. So we're going to move it up. Okay. Put bossy here. And we're going to do the same here for this one. And it automatically changed because it doesn't have the same, I have to upload that particular font, so it doesn't have the same font. So we're going to go with this acknowledge, and we're going to make it just a little bit smaller, like this. Ooh, and then we're going to make it red. So, that red, good. Let me change this one too. Change it red to this red. Alright, because I like that red. So for right now, you can't see the changes yet. Take our select tool. I'm going to move this up just a little bit. I'm going to move this. And we're just going to emphasize the boss and bossy parts. We can move her around. Let's say we want her to be a little smaller. And that's the issue that I was having, is how do I do that? So we go to edit, and we go free transform, and we go click right here on the corner and make her just a little smaller like that. Woohoo! We have a good time here. And so now I'm able to just really like edit and have a really good time with this file. And then when we're ready to make this like a mug or a t-shirt or a book cover, we need to remove the background. Unless you want if it's a book cover, the red, you want to probably make this a black or a different color background that will pop out the red tones in the background, because right now red on red we can't really see. So what I want to do is I want to go here and click on layer, and this takes away that background layer. So now this is perfect for us to create a t-shirt. So I'm just kind of centering it a little bit, right? And so you can tell when you move, look, that little line right there in the middle of the red line, that's our center point. So that's awesome too, that it helps you align your artwork. So with that, we go here to file, we go export as a PNG. Remember, when we go into Printful, we want to export as a PNG. And look, that's a nice big file. So we say save. Okay. And then we're going to open up Printful. All right, and then we'll go to our mockup generator. Female. Let's put that on like a little Crop top. Ooh, yeah, that's cute, right? $15.95. No, I don't want the crop top. Let me go back. How about a tank top? Because I want it on a red tank top. Okay, let's go with this one for this little money here. Upload the artwork. And it is in our download folder. Boom. So as you see, like, we're really moving fast to show you how to use this Photopea, and it's really simple. You can type, move pictures around, add pictures to it, and create something really great and unique. I will be providing free files in our near future, and also under subscription some files that you can download and use whenever you feel like it and make wonderful, wonderful work. So here we goes, our new change. And look, on top of this black shirt, she's a little lost in the black. You know, we could change it to a different color, like, I don't know, blue. I wouldn't necessarily use blue, but you know, whatever color fits your bow. But here we are, we have something really cute that we have made and using Photopea when you don't have Photoshop. So here you have it. I love it. I think you'll love it too. So stay tuned for our next video that I'm going to show you how to take this particular lady and the other ladies that I've made, and we're going to create a Etsy account using Printful. But I really want you guys to know I really like this Photopea. It is awesome. You'll love it. And look, you can use these eyeballs, remove certain things. You know, just really, really nice. You know, really, really nice. So you guys log on. It's free, Photopea, and let's start making that money. All right. Talk to you soon. Stay blessed. Real stuff, no fluff. Angela Nixon, your host. Bye bye.